Hi, I'm Sophie from Back in Motion Health Group, and today Sophie and I are going to show you how to deadlift. So deadlifts are really good for strengthening the lower back, the gluteal and the hamstring muscles, but what we see is that poor technique can really cause bad back injuries. So today Sophie's going to show you, she's going to step up towards the bar, so the middle of her foot is underneath the bar. Then she's going to turn her feet and her knees out about 15 degrees. She then reaches down to grab the bar, bending her knees so that her shins touch the bar, and then she's going to lift vertically. At the top, Sophie's locked out so that her knees and hips are straight, but she hasn't hyperextended. And now she's going to lower the bar to mirror the lift, so lowering down vertically. Once it gets past her knees, she bends a little bit more so that the bar gets towards the ground. She was able to do that with a neutral spine, which is really good. Often what we see is people arching their back like that, or rounding their shoulders out at the top, or sometimes bending too much at the knees so that they're squatting instead. So to prevent an injury, Sophie and I recommend that you follow this deadlift technique.